Hi there, I'm Matt. Today's recipe is for these vegan whole food chocolate and nut bars. This recipe is made in just 4 steps using 4 ingredients plus some salt and water. All the measurements are in the description. Here's how to make them. To a food processor, add dried dates and water, or just use fresh dates, cocoa powder, unsalted cashews, cranberries, and salt. And now process until everything is combined. It will form a thick crumbly dough like this. Now tip the mixture into a small lined container or cake tin. And then flatten the mixture down with the back of a spoon. Now that it's nice and smooth, I'll put it in the fridge until firm. Remove from the fridge once firm, and then the final step is to slice it into bars. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thanks for watching. Here's my subscriber update and links to 2 more of my vegan recipe videos.